Okay, so which of this number is divisible by 2 and which of these numbers is divisible by 3? So how do we know numbers that are divisible by 2? The numbers are divisible by 2 when the unit's value, okay, ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So any whole number given to you and it ends with, and the place value of the unit ends with any of this number, so that's that the number is divisible by 2. So let's look at the first one. What ends is 1, so it doesn't qualify, so you can't divide this one by 2. If you try to divide this number by 2, it gives you a remainder. So let's see this. Can we divide this number by 2? 3,204. Yes, you can divide because it ends with 4. So by the time you test it, let's see, it's 2 here 1, 2 here is 1, in 12 is 6, here is 0. So we have, so this number is divisible by 2. Can we divide this by 2? Yes, because the last digit here is even number. So we can divide 4,546 by 2. So number divisible by 3. Which of these numbers are divisible by 3? For you to know whether a number can be divisible by 3, this when you sum the numbers up, okay, the results must be divisible by 3. So what do I mean? Look at, we have 7,215. So when I say 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Can I divide 15 by 3? 5. Yes, so that means I can divide this number by 3. So when I test it, I have 7,215 divided by 3. So I have 3 in 7 to be 1 to be 2, in 12 to be 4, yes to be 0, in 15 to be 5. So I can divide this exactly by 3 without knowing 1. So this number is divisible by 3. Let us check this. 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 1, 14. Can I divide this one by 3? No. So I can't divide this number by 3. So let's look at this. We have 2, 6, 1. 2 plus 6 plus 1 plus 0. 2 plus 6 is 9. Is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. I can divide this number by 3. So I have 3. So that means this number is qualified. I can divide this one by 3. It's divisible by 3. By the time I check it, 2,160 divided by 3. So 3 here 1, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 7 is 21. So this number is divisible by 3. Thank you. Okay, so divisibility rule of 4. Which of these numbers is divisible by 4? Now the rule guiding 4 is this. How do you know a given whole number is divisible by 4? This is how you know. The last 2 digits of the number must be in the same order and must be divisible by 4. When you look at the last 2 digits here is 31, the last 2 digits here is 16, the last 2 digits here is 32. So for the first one, 31, can I divide 31 by 4? No. So this one is not qualified. Now let's look at this, 84,916, the last 2 digits here is 16. Can I divide 16 by 4? Yes, so this is qualified. When we test it, 4 here 1, 4 here is 2, 4 here is 1, 4 in 9 is 2, 4 in 11 is 2, 4 in 36 is 9. So that means this number is divisible by 4. When you look at this number, it's in the same order. 32 is divisible by 4. That is 8. So that means you can divide this number by 4 as well. Now let's look at this number. Which of these is divisible by 5? So the rule guiding 5 is the last digit must be 0 or 5. So look at the last digit here, we have 0. So this number is divisible by 5. When you try to divide by 5 and check. 5 in 42 is 8, in 23 is 4, in 30 is 6. So we can divide this number. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. When you try to check it, you have here 1, in 37, 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 3 is 15. So this one is divisible by 5. But when you look at the last one here, look at the last digits, it does not qualify for 0 or 5, so automatically it's not divisible by 5. Thank you. Okay, which of this number is divisible by 6? Now the rule behind this is that for you to know a number is divisible by 6, the whole number itself must be divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. Okay, so if you can test this in that whole number, so that means the number is divisible by 6. So what does that mean? Now look at this whole number for 7,394. Can I divide it by 2? Yes, because the last digit here, the unit digit here is an even number. It's an even number, so I can divide by all this number by 2. Now, can I divide all this number by 3? So, and I told you that for you to know whether a whole number can be divided by 3, the sum of all the individual digits here must be divided by 3. So, I have 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 4. 4 plus 7 is 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. Can I divide 27 by 3? Yes, that is nice. So that means that I can divide this total number here by 6. So from here, if I want to test this, I have 47,394. Okay, so divided by 6. 6 is 1. 6 times 7 is 42. So 6 times 8 is 48. So I'm having 5 left. 6 times 9 is 54. So I'm having 54 from 59. I'm having 5 left. So 6 times 9 is 54. So that means this number is divisible by 6. It satisfies these two conditions. Now when you look at the last one, is it divisible by 6? No, because the last digits cannot be divided by 2. It's not an even number. So this is my answer. So a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So I'm having 12,547. Let us sum up these digits. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 7 is 19. Can I divide 19 by 9? No. So this number is not divisible by 9. Let us check this. We have 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Can I divide 18 by 9? Yes. So that means I can divide this whole number by 9.